Welcome to my laboratory, everyone. I am making Frankenstein. Well, as you saw in the quick time lapse, I took a box and I took a box cutter. Kids, do not use this yourself. You need to have an adult use that for you. To cut out the holes after I put on the green construction paper. And I just added a nose with a marker. I want to go over that. I wish I had a black marker on hand. Actually, I might have a crayon, which I'll use after the glue dries. Took a little construction paper, cut some triangles out of it to make a fringy hair look. I had this leftover from actually, remember last year when those chocolate bombs were so popular? Well, they came in this container, and in the bottom it was filled with this great crumpled brown paper. So I reused that as his stitches. You know how they stitched the monster together. Anywho, so I thought, it's interesting because kids as a whole, when they're younger, tend to, not all, but most, tend to have difficulty detecting feelings. They don't always sense the correct feeling that someone is having. And it's especially hard when you can't see half their face. Think about it. I mean, a lot of us are going around with a mask, so you only see the eyes up. So I thought we can show Frankie here his feelings based on his eyes. And then you're gonna have to decide how he's feeling. Is he feeling sad? Is he feeling mad? Is he feeling glad? Ooh, I just did some rhymes there. Sad, glad, mad. Well, he could have all kinds of feelings. So the two holes obviously at the top will be the eyes, and the big bottom one will be the mouth, but on it I'm gonna write the words sad, mad, glad. Now, I noticed that this is just going to kind of fall in, which won't work. So I thought outside the box, and I got some toothpicks, and I'm going to see if I can glue those onto here so this can kind of spin on it, and it'll be outside the box like that. So I'm going to glue that together, and then I will meet you back here in just a moment. Hello, welcome back. Can you tell from my eyes what my emotion is? So look at my poster here. We have all different emotions on here. Let's see, what do you think this one feels? That's right, happy. How do you know? Because you see that big, beautiful smile and those bright, wide eyes. How about this one? That's right, he's sad. How do you know? The tears, right? What about this one? You see these Z's over here? What does that stand for? I'll give you a hint. That's right, he's tired. And what about this one? How do you know? That's right, he's angry. Look at those eyes. Look at how the eyebrows are. I don't know if I could do it with mine, but some people kind of goes like this, right? He looks mad. He's red in the face and everything. Well, I think it's dry now. And as you see here, I'll try and bring it up close to you. I have, let's see, I have different eyeballs that spin around. Let's get them on the same one. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. And I have different emotions written here. We have glad, G-L-A-D. We have mad, M-A-D. We have sad, S-A-D. And I even added a fourth one. I wanted to do 4 different emotions, but unfortunately with the roll, I could only fit 3. This one says scared. Now, I'm not going to tell you which 3 I put on here, but, so there'll be an extra one. If I had more room, or if I had made the eyeball smaller, I could have fit a 4th one. All right, so let's see. Let's look at these. Does that show scared? What do you think? What gave it away? Crying. Well, the tears and the drooped eyelids, would that be glad? Do you cry when you're glad? Well, sometimes you're so happy that sometimes you get tears of joy, but do those eyes look happy? No, it's not glad. How about mad? Well, are those eyebrows, in a mean look? No, it doesn't look mean or upset. Could it be sad? There you go, sad. All right, I'm gonna change the eyeballs. I'm gonna flip them. Oops, there we go. There we go. Beauteous. Now, look at these. They're pretty wide. They have the crinkles. Now, even though we can't see the mouth, do you think this is sad? No, that's glad. Now, so when we smile, sometimes you get these little wrinkles here. That's what that is. All right, let's try one more. Will it be, let's see, we've already done sad and glad. Will it be mad or will it be scared? Let's take a look at what these eyeballs look like. Look up close. What do you think? Do those look scared? Are they wide with surprise? Or are they looking like this? That's right. He's mad. Very mad. So we had mad, sad, glad. And what do we know about those words? They all rhyme. They have the same ending. They end in A-D. Mad, sad, glad. Well, you can make one of these too, and you could do it for all different things. It doesn't have to be emotions. Now, the reason I didn't put the mouth here, because obviously it would be easier if it had a big smile or a frown or whatever, because when we're wearing these masks, we don't always see the mouth, right? You can't see what's going on down here. But if I'm smiling, or if I'm upset, or if I'm scared, you can tell the difference in the eyes as well. So you don't always need the full face to figure it out. But you can do this for anything. You could do 2 numbers up here and add them or subtract them and have a number down here. So maybe it would say like 4 and 2, and then you would roll till you hit 6, right? Or you could do minus that way too. You could also do first parts of words and second parts, like maybe you had GL here, AD here, and then you'd have to go until you hit glad, right? You could do all kinds of things with this type of box. All I did was use the box cutter. After I made my face, you don't have to make the face, but I thought since it's Halloween, it's, festive. And then I hot glued some toothpicks for these to spin around. And there you go. You could do all kinds of interesting, I'm thinking for the future, what kinds of things we can do with this. I'm thinking we can have some fun with these kind of boxes. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you come back, and I hope you make one of your own Frankensteins or monsters or pumpkins. It could have been a pumpkin, it could have been orange, and it could have been like a jack-o'-lantern where you cut out the face. There's so many possibilities with this, and it's real simple, and I just used stuff that's around the house, right? I mean, this is all recyclable stuff that would have ended up in the garbage anyway, so why not repurpose it and use it for something else? Well, please come back next week, subscribe, like, share, and I will see you soon with another Read Aloud on Monday and another fun activity on Friday. Well, bye-bye for now.